Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to trade on Forex market with my number one strategy special for you. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next update, next indicator and next strategy. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for indicator download link. Okay, if you not best forex market account, best forex broker account, simply I can link in description box, simply click it and you can join it. Okay, so let's start this strategy. Is a very simple strategy. First of all, you go to on tradingview.com. You know it is tradingview.com is a big market analysis platform. Okay, simply choose your currency and choose your indicator. Is this indicator is a very good indicator, my number one strategy in this indicator. Okay, big sniper alert are 2.0 by just uncarrel. Okay, this indicator you can add it, and here is a this indicator market. Mark. Okay, and market going up, and here is a this indicator mark and market going up. Simple strategy. Okay, you see it is a simple strategy. First of all, you go to trading view and you can this indicator add on market. Okay, you can use this indicator big snapper alerts. Okay, and market structure break and order block by Emery Kiwi. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe